Hi guys, it's Pipoy, Russia. I'm here with my friends Eugene and Justine. I mean not Justine, Jackie. Justine is their daughter. Yun nga pala. So we're having a meet, for the first time na been 2 years. 2 years na, almost 2 years, right? It's been 2 years na kami since na hindi kami nagkita-kita. So I'm here to simple chat, so I'm asking about din ba kasi pinagdadaanan din, napagdaanan pala nila yung napagdaanan ko. So basically, I'm gonna do some mini interview. Pero I get back to you again. Hi, ito na. We're about to interview Jackie and Eugene.
Hi!
Hi Jackie, hi Eugene. So, how do we, paano na yung na-manage yung to deal with Enrico and Justine doing those stuff kasi kayong inaano namin like look forward kasi nangyari sa amin recently, and then we try to get some advice from you guys na pwede namin adapt sa amin while we dealing with our own stuff.
Ikaw muna.
Ako, siguro nakatulong sa akin na yung asawa. Yeah. Kasi siyempre
Oo, kailangan
mahirap talaga mawalay, pero you have to think positive na lang. Move on. Parang ganun. Ang ano lang is just pray every night na sana safe yung mga kids, walang anything sakit or something. Yeah, yun lang.
Ako, siguro ang number one na factor is the trust. Right? As long as you trust na they're going to always do the right thing, right? With your guidance, na hindi nila puputulin yun yung at least there's gonna be a communication, right? Kasi hindi mo rin man sila pababayaan at the end of the day. Hindi mo rin kayang i-let go na parent ka, na ina ka or ama ka. So, trust na lang na you let it go. Trust mo na they're gonna do the right thing. Magtama ang pagpapalaki mo sa kanila. And everything will follow.
Did ever occur with you guys na, like, nasaktan kayo? Or did you ever cry over about it? Stuff na.
We did. Di ba? Oo. A lot of times. Pero kasi, sabi ko nga, ang baseline namin na laging mag-asawa is kami, we started our family early. And even in that situation, it is even worse kasi may anak agad na involved. Right? I was pregnant at a very young age. Pero we always say, look where we are at. We're still together. Nakapag-migrate pa nga tayo from, one country to another. Palaki namin ang tamang dalawang anak namin. So, trust na they may be able to get through that hardship as well.
So it seems na si Jackie, she's able to handle it well. I think, right? Same thing
I
with
think better than him.
same thing with Faye. And now I'm gonna go deeper kay Eugene. How he handle paano niya hinandle yung votes ng Enrico tsaka kay Justine. So this one is for guys' perspective. Did you even cry or did you even self-accept na lang na okay, let's go, parang manly stuff like I'm a man, I can do whatever I want.
Crying is one thing, pero it's not like you will cry every night or something. Parang, siyempre, mamimiss mo, di ba? Yung usual na tayo kayo magkasama. Pero, ang positive side then is now we have more time together.
Oh yeah, there's one thing
As a couple. Mas, ngayon yung time na dating wala, na ngayon lang nagagawa, like we date, we go out of the country, parang everyday we look forward na uuwi ng bahay, siya pa rin ang kasama. ganun lang.
Would you tell someone while people watching over here na masasabi mo ba na crying is a not hindi siya manly thing. Ano ba siya? Kawalan ba siya ng pagiging lalaki kapag umiyak ka? So ano masasabi mo sa viewers that if this thing that happened to you guys na umiyak ka, hindi dapat siya, it's not really a big deal, it's a big deal.
For me, it's not kawalan ng pagiging lalaki. Yun yung isa sa pag-release. Parang kung iiyak ka, iiyak mo once, twice, pero hindi yung lagi. Parang you have to accept the fact na you have to move on. Wala ganun talaga ang buhay. There's a time na magsa-separate kayo ng mga kids, but yung bond and respect and everything dapat nandun pa rin. Time, kahit konti, nandun pa rin. Hindi yung
Last wrap up with Jackie. So, eto ngayon naman kay Jackie. Anong message mo sa viewers? Anong pwede mong sabihin sa mga empty nester that as a mom, anong biggest fear and how to counter those biggest fears?
Ang biggest fear has always been, well, from the very get-go, my biggest fear is always death of a loved one. Right? So, ako, even though they are far away, as long as I know where they are, we were talking about this, right? Do you track kids in your iPhone? Because there's no concept anymore of magpaalam wherever they're gonna go. So, that gives me a certain peace of mind. Yeah, it's that. And how do I cope up? I think it's that more on, again, tracking, like being able to get in touch with them when I need to. They are very open with communication, regardless gaano kaloko or gaano kanoti ginawa nila, they will tell it sa amin. Na the fact na ganun sila ka-open, that trust is being reciprocated, right? I trust them enough and they trust me enough na I will be able to understand.
When do you draw the line to stop worrying about it?
When do you draw the line? I think kapag nakita mong maayos sila, na masaya sila, pag tumawag ka, nag-FaceTime ka, mapipil mo as a parent, mapipil mo naman ang napipil nila. Pag nakita mo masaya, that's enough for me as a mom, right? Masaya yung anak ko, content.
So, here we go guys, yung like sinabi ni Jackie and Eugene. So, hintay mo muna kami, mag-break muna kami kasi it's almost 8 minutes. And Basha, we may say something. Wala siya masabi. So, I'm gonna get back to you again, these people again. And thank you and have a good day.